Students, next we discuss about new chapter, that is fourth chapter, electric charges and fields. Electric charges and fields. Okay. From this chapter we discussed about mainly what is the cause of electricity and what are the uses of electricity. Okay. So in this chapter and next fifth chapter we discussed mainly fundamental part of the electricity. After that one we totally discussed for electricity only. Okay. So what about electric charge, or simply said charge, and what is field? Okay. First of all, we know that in general matter, nature in matter, there are three types: conductors, insulators, semiconductors. Okay. Conductors, insulators and semiconductors. What about conductors? What about conductors? First one, conductors. Second one, insulators. Third one, semiconductors. Okay. So conductors means the substance which allow current through them. Okay. So that type of materials are called conductors. Example, all metals. All metals. And also our human body, our also. Okay. So all metals are conformly allow electricity through them, so they are called conductors. And what about insulators? Which substance do not allow electricity through them are called insulators. Insulators, example are wood, plastic, okay, rubber, etc. also. Okay. These substances do not allow electricity through them. Okay. So they are called insulators. Now you can take third one, that is semiconductors. Semiconductors, conductors means the substance which allow electricity in intermediate between the conductors and insulators. That is, sometimes they allow current, very low current, and sometimes they allow very high current, and sometimes they do not allow current. Okay. So these semiconductors, example are germanium, silicon, etc. These are mainly semiconductors. So first of all, the conductors and the insulators are mainly discussed in these chapters and also next chapter also. Okay. And the third semiconductors are discussed in last but one chapter. Okay. In present situation, in present days, we are taking many digital systems. We have to use digital systems like cell phones, digital watch, okay, and automatic lights off on. So these are all are worked based on these semiconductors. Okay. Now in conductors, insulators, semiconductor, what are the carriers of this electricity? The carriers of electricity are charges. What are they? Charges. So from this chapter, that is in this chapter, we discussed mainly charges. Charges means they are free charges in the atom only, not fixed charges. Okay, in atom there are many free charges are there. These free charges are, that is free electrons are there. These free electrons are called charges. So charges are two types. One is positive charge and another one is negative charge. Positive charge and negative charge. What is charge? Charge is the basic property of the matter or any substance. These are the main basic property of the matter. It consists of positive and negative charge. Positive and negative. Positive means protons, negative means electrons. Okay. Whenever two unlike charges are attracts with each other, two like charges or both are repel with each other. Both are repel with each other. Okay. And also this charge is the basic property of the substance. And we have to take another one also, it is neutral charge. We discussed later that one. Okay. Now this charge is a scalar quantity. This charge is a scalar quantity and its dimensional formula is AT. A ampere, T is the time. Okay, and this formula is discussed in latest chapter. And what are the basic charges in nature? Positive charge and negative charge. And like charges are repel with each other, unlike charges are attracts with each other. Okay, and the neutral charge is charge becomes zero. There is no charge of a body is called neutral body. Okay, and this charge will be represent capital Q or small q. Capital Q or small q. Okay, and the neutral charge becomes zero, and this charge will be attracted by positive charge, and also this is attracted by negative charge. So we cannot find this one is negative or positive charge. That is, attraction is not correct test for electrification. Either it becomes positive or negative. In case we have to take positive charges, they are repel with each other. Negative charges, so they are repel with each other. So that's why we have to tell about this one. Repulsion is the sure test for electrification. Repulsion is the sure test for electrification because of the neutral charge is attracted by both positive and negative charge. So attraction property is very poor property to find the charge either negative or positive. Okay, students. So this is the basic concept of charge. Okay. Next we discuss the properties of charges.